Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to create both external and internal threads. In the industry, threads are crucial components in various mechanical applications, particularly in fastening systems like bolts and nuts. Both types of threads work together to create strong and efficient connections across a wide range of industrial applications. Let's start by making an external thread. First, we need the following tools: file, die stock, round rod, screwdriver, round die, cutting oil and vise. Then we need to clamp the round die to secure it into the die stock. Before threading, file a 45 chamfer on the round rod. Ensure the chamfer is slightly larger than the thread depth to allow for better entry when cutting the thread. Use cutting oil to extend tool life and improve surface quality. Turn the die stock to cut the thread. After every 2 turns, reverse by a 3rd turn to break the chip and achieve a clean thread. Now, we will show you the steps to make an internal thread. First, gather the following tools: safety goggles, adjustable tap wrench, hand tap, tri-square, and cutting oil. Next, clamp the hand tap to secure it in the adjustable tap wrench. Use cutting oil to extend the service life of the tools and improve the quality of the threads. Start threading the hole. After every 2 turns, reverse by a 3rd turn to break the chip. After threading the hole with the first tap, follow with the second tap for intermediate threading. Finish with the final tap to complete the thread.